we will start with the following topics. Today, we will learn about software services, introduction to CRM, types of CRM solution, introduction to Salesforce, and also and on-demand services. Then we will cover about why Salesforce and Salesforce products. Who are the Salesforce customers? And if possible, Salesforce pricing and licensing. सो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अभी तक आप लोगों को कुछ डाउट वगैरह कुछ ऐसा है तो आप क्लियर कर सकते हैं. एनीवन? एवरीवन, सॉरी. सो
Hi,
should I take
Niranjan.
it? Okay.
Just one quick question. Do you have to have an engineering background to understand this, or anybody can, understand this?
No. I'm moving towards that. So
Okay,
okay.
thanks.
So before diving into this domain, let's know about some prerequisites. I'm coming to towards your question. Okay.
Okay.
So what are the things? What are the things you should have to learn Salesforce? That is prerequisites. Basic degree should be completed. So here, if you want to learn Salesforce, then you should have a basic degree. And if you want to do certifications also, then you should have a graduate degree in any field. That is a prerequisite. Yeah. And one thing also to be noted that no specific field is required. There is no foundation of any stream, whether you are from an IT background or a non-IT background. So there is no such foundation. That means anyone who has completed his basic degree should uh, learn Salesforce. Okay.
Okay.
Got it. Thanks.
Both IT and non-IT uh, can learn Salesforce. So it is quite clear. It might have quite clear that whether you belong to a basic or an IT background, or you belong to any non-IT background, you can learn Salesforce. Is not necessary for you to belong from some IT background, but it is always an advantage that if you are from IT background and you have opted Salesforce, then it is also an always an advantage. Okay, people who want to switch from non-IT to IT could also learn Salesforce.
Hello, sir. Hello.
Hello, hello, yeah.
Sir, I want to know that what topic should be covered.
Today,
No, sir, in the whole session.
yes, that is written here. Introduction to Salesforce, and these are some topics, but there are more other topics that we'll cover in the whole session, in the whole program. Okay,
Okay, sir.
thank you. So people who want to switch from non-IT to IT is also for them. So they are also always welcome. They can learn Salesforce. And freshers can also learn it. Like we guys are freshers, so we can also learn it. And one more important thing is that this is a limited version course. Here we will learn about admins only. Limited version course, that means Salesforce is a huge course. It has it is a large platform. It offers many learnings and certifications. Like here, you can learn about admins, developers, architects, app builders, and so on. There are many. Uh, Approximately, there are eight certificates which we could learn. So we will limited version course. That means we will learn about one thing, and that is admin here. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So up to now, does anyone have any question? If yes, you can ask always. Or do I move forward?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. So softwares. Why the world is moving fast towards softwares? Why? There is a there are a lot of answers to this question, but at high level we will only focus on one or two. That is, we use softwares to minimize our work effort. First of all, software services. And what whatever softwares can do, humans are not supposed to do that everything. Okay, so softwares are used. There are many other answers to this question, but at a high level, we will not go that deep. It is nothing that much to do with this, but we'll know about Salesforce services. So what I here mean is uh, what type of software services we will know about. First, there are two types of software services. First one is on premise. On premise means a software which needs installation. Like, for example, Java, MS Office, .NET, and many other softwares. So सॉफ्टवेयर सर्विसेज जो है वो दो तरह की होती हैं। पहला है ऑन प्रीमाइस। ऑन प्रीमाइस इसको इंस्टॉल करना पड़ता है। सो इसके लिए आपको स्टोरेज स्पेस, जैसे कि मोबाइल में हम लोग इंस्टॉल करते हैं कोई भी ऐप वगैरह, तो उस तरह से हम उसके लिए हमें उसको कहीं से डाउनलोड करना पड़ता है और उसके बाद इंस्टॉल करना पड़ता है। दैट इज ऑन प्रीमाइस सॉफ्टवेयर। सो it requires a space for storage. And second one is on demand software. Here it does not need any installation. So it needs only internet. So you just need only internet to develop this application, like FB, Gmail, LinkedIn, etc. Here you just need a user ID, password, and you sign in, and you could do you could utilize the services provided. So these does not need any installation. You don't need to install Gmail. तो यहाँ तक कोई प्रॉब्लम, कोई मतलब कोई ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो आपको
No, no.
Okay. Now CRM. What is a CRM? CRM means customer relationship management. CRM कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप मैनेजमेंट को आप कैसे समझते हैं? तो किसी भी बिजनेस प्रोसेस को मेंटेन करने के लिए, उसको ऑटोमेट करने के लिए हमें एक सिस्टम की जरूरत पड़ती है, एक टूल की जरूरत पड़ती है, एंड दैट इज CRM. सपोज किसी बिजनेस के लिए आपको क्या क्या चाहिए? वन थिंग इज आपको मार्केटिंग, सेल्स, सर्विसेज, इन मोस्ट प्रोबेबली ये 3 चीज़ तो बहुत ज़रूरी है। इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, बट हम लोग इस 3 चीज़ के बारे में बात करेंगे। यहाँ पर क्या है कि मार्केटिंग में आपने कुछ बंदे रखे हैं, फिर सेल्स में और एंड सर्विसेज में। बट यू शुड हैव दे शुड हैव लिंक, यू नो, टू जैसे कि सपोज आपने कोई ऑर्डर बुक किया, जैसा हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं अमेज़न, फ्लिपकार्ट वगैरह यूज़ करते हैं, तो उसमें हमने कोई ऑर्डर बुक किया, हमें उसका मैसेज आ गया, ठीक है? और ये मैसेज जो है सिर्फ़ हमारे पास नहीं आता है, ये मैसेज उस कंपनी के पास भी जाता है और उससे रिलेटेड उस जहाँ से वो कंपनी डील करती है, उनके पास भी जाता है, और जिनको सर्विस प्रोवाइड करना है, उनके पास भी जाता है। और ये मैसेज सिर्फ़ एक बार मैसेज आकर आपके पास ख़त्म नहीं हो गया, आपको हर चीज़ का अपडेट, जैसे वो आपके नियरेस्ट हब पर पहुँच चुका है, उसका अपडेट आपको मिल जाता है। देन इट इज़ आउट फॉर डिलीवरी, उसका अपडेट आपको मिल गया, आपको मैसेजेस, कॉल्स आए। तो ये कॉल आपको सिर्फ़ आपको ही नहीं आते हैं, ये कॉल उस कंपनी को भी जाता है, सेल्सफोर्स ये इसको फ्लिपकार्ट को या अमेज़न जहाँ से हमने ऑर्डर किया है, इन सभी जगह जाता है। और उसके बाद ये सारा प्रोसेस क्या या कहीं पर कोई बंदा बैठा है जो मतलब इस तरह के मैसेजेस करता है? नो, ये सभी ऑटोमेटेड प्रोसेस है, दैट इज़ CRM। तो कस्टमर को हम आज के डेट में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सुविधाएँ देते हैं, तो ये एक अच्छा CRM का एक यही गुण है कि कस्टमर को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हम सुविधाएँ दे सकें। सो CRM to automate any business process, CRM is needed. It connects the organization. Okay, it connects the organization with the customers and leads. And it is required to make the process streamlined. It is also required to improve profitability. It connects organization with customers and leads. So lead here is a prospect customer, which is who is not a customer right now, but he will be a customer, that for sure. So it connects the organization with the customers needs, and and it is required to streamline process. any business process. Further, सो आई थिंक हम लोग सीआरएम क्या होता है एक आइडिया हो गया होगा कि सीआरएम क्या होता है.
Yes.
ओके, थैंक यू. अब further there are two types of CRM solutions. First one is on-premise CRM. And second one is on-demand CRM. So on-premise CRM जैसा कि on-premise सॉफ्टवेयर पे था वैसा ही है on-premise CRM. it it refers to hosting CRM software on the company's own server. So it refers to hosting CRM software on company's own server. That means ये जो CRM है ऑन प्रीमाइस CRM, इसके लिए कंपनी को बहुत सारा एसेट का जरूरत पड़ता है. ये काफी एक्सपेंसिव भी होता है. दिस इज क्वाइट एक्सपेंसिव and lots of maintenance and is required here. And one of the most important thing is that कि इसमें आपको रिमोट एक्सेस नहीं होता है. नो रिमोट एक्सेस. दैट मीन्स जो भी एम्प्लॉई हैं उनको जहाँ ऑफिस होगा उनको वहाँ जाकर ही एक्सेस करना होगा. सो देयर इज नो रिमोट एक्सेस and this is quite expensive. So this type of CRM is yes, it is used by Microsoft Dynamics. So Microsoft Dynamics use such type of softwares, and there are also other examples, but now we'll talk about on-demand CRM. On-demand CRM is a CRM solution that is made available by a software manufacturer via internet. It is a CRM solution That is and these can also be used by via internet or through internet and web browser. These one of the most important thing is that this is it is a cloud based CRM solution. So cloud based, what here uh, it means remote access, and not only that remote access, but everything everything is maintained like updations. So updates are maintained by the company itself. No need to update these solutions. But if you are using on-premise solution, you need to update from time to time. But this is on-demand CRM solution where you don't need to do such updations yourself. The company itself maintains all the updations. And one of the most thing is that this is deployment software. These are deployment softwares. Here, deployment software means you can do required activities to make the software available for use. Available for use. And the this word deployment will uh, we will see this word this in the upcoming sessions for which much with much detail. Now, for now, it is these required activities to make the software available for use is deployment softwares, and here expensive. It is on-premise software CRM is expensive, but this is not expensive. It does not no need to purchase expensive hardwares and softwares. So this is what an on-demand CRM. Now, यहाँ तक में अगर किसी तरह का कोई डाउट है तो बताएं.
सर एक बार डिप्लॉयमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर थोड़ा बता सकते हैं क्या, वो समझ नहीं आया.
Okay, deployment software आगे के सेशंस में हम डिप्लॉयमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर पर काफ़ी सारी बातें करेंगे। तो फिलहाल आप ये समझ लीजिए कि अ, ये एक
Okay,
actually
Niranjan, let me take that question for now.
okay.
So is it Aditi, right?
Yes.
So Aditi, deployment basically जब हम लोग कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप करते हैं ना, तो
Yes.
उसको पहले हम लोग लोकल में टेस्ट करते हैं, राइट? अगर आपको आइडिया होगा कुछ ये सब सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट के बारे में, तो सारा चीज पहले हम लोग लोकल होस्ट पे सब टेस्ट करते हैं, और उसके बाद ना एंड यूजर्स के पास जाता है वो यूज करने के लिए, है ना?
Okay.
तो बेसिकली हाई लेवल पे आप यही समझिए कि डिप्लॉयमेंट वही प्रोसेस का नाम है, जो सारा कोड्स हम लोग डिप्लॉय कर देते हैं इन द प्रोडक्शन। डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एनवायरनमेंट्स होता है, डिफरेंट फेजेस होता है, टेस्टिंग का भी, डेवलपमेंट का भी। तो एक साइकिल है वो, ठीक है ना?
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
क्या?
So any other question?
No,
Okay.
no.
Okay. So where does Salesforce fit in this criteria? So first we'll talk about founder of Salesforce. It is Mark Benioff. Who invented Salesforce. In 1999. He was an ex-Oracle employee and he invented Salesforce. So what is Salesforce and why we are learning about Salesforce and not other CRM? There are lots of CRM, but why Salesforce? Why we want to learn about Salesforce only? So could anyone answer this if you know? Just random, whatever comes to your mind, you can answer.
Salesforce's cloud computing platform.
Yeah, right. Yes. What is Salesforce? Yes, it is a cloud computing platform. And why Salesforce only? Why not other CRM? There are too many CRMs, but why we want to learn about Salesforce only?
Widely used,
Yes, yes,
one of the most popular CRMs in the world.
yes, right. So Salesforce is number one CRM. Right now, it is number one CRM of the world. In terms of revenue, uh, I have where you can see एडब। आप देख सकते हैं कि एडब का जो ग्राफ है ईयर वाइज 2017, 18, 19, 20 एंड 21, इसके ग्राफ में कोई इसके मार्केट रेवेन्यू में कोई ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ा इन इन वर्षों में। फिर उसके बाद सेकंड जो है सैप, थर्ड वन इज Microsoft, एंड सेल्सफोर्स में आप देख सकते हैं कि इसके मार्केट रेवेन्यू में कितना ग्रोथ हुआ है. Market share is 23.9%. Here it is 5.5%, which is the second top most revenue collection or market share. So it is quite clear that Salesforce is the world's leading revenue generate करने वाला दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा ये CRM solution है. That is why it is widely used. And yes, it is cloud based. और ज़्यादा रेवेन्यू, दैट मीन्स ज़्यादा रेवेन्यू का मतलब होता है मोर रेवेन्यू मीन्स मोर जॉब ऑप्शंस. More revenue means more business, and more business means more job opportunities. So that is why Salesforce is referred as to study, to learn, and as an estimate about 1,50,000 companies around the world are using Salesforce now. That is a huge number. And in the year, this year, Salesforce will provide job to every 1 out of 4 people who's learning Salesforce. So there is a lot of job opportunities. That's why Salesforce is referred to learn by the candidates. So Salesforce is an on-demand CRM. It is it also has a huge growth as compared to the top CRMs of the world. And more growth means more project, more business. More business means more job opportunities, and that's why it is referred. So in Salesforce, we will have more growth in comparison to other technologies of the world, is as it is a number one platform. So these are one prospect. And what are other prospects to choose Salesforce? Other thing like Salesforce provide most of the services like Salesforce Chatter, Salesforce Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and these are the platform where you can enhance communication. And if suppose अगर आप Salesforce में काम कर रहे हैं, फिर भी आपको लगता है कि no, you need to learn more about this. So it also provides a platform where you can enhance your knowledge, where you can that is a trial ground for you, and you definitely you will have more enhancement. So Salesforce is referred. That's why all these things make it a popular CRM to be referred by, to be chosen by everybody or most of the people. So is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will learn about types of on-demand services. First one is software as a service. These are developed application. So these are developed applications where we have to just sign in. We have to sign up and use them, like Gmail and Facebook. So here no development activity is required. Okay. Now the other is second one is platform as a service. So platform as a service provides a development environment for customization. Here a development environment is provided where you can customize any business process according to your requirements. तो यहाँ पर आप अपनी ज़रूरत के हिसाब से अपने बिजनेस के हिसाब से आप इसमें कस्टमाइजेशंस कर सकते हैं. Salesforce is an example here. Heroku. Third one is infrastructure as a service. So if you take any software requires updates, servers, storage, drives, everything. But if we talk about uh, Salesforce, then it it is a type of software which you don't have to update this. It is everything is maintained here by the Salesforce itself. So infrastructure as a service means if you take any software that requires updates and servers, storage and drive. So example is Microsoft Azure. So this is a high level about three types of software on-demand services. Now, so if you have any queries regarding this,
No.
okay, thank you. Now, I will show you about 10 top 10 customers of Salesforce. That is, these are the top 10 customers of Salesforce, and that is worldwide. These are worldwide top 10 customers. And if we talk about Indian top 10 customers, Bharat Petroleum, OLX, Godrej, Razorpay, Razorpay. So these are top 10 customers. And world's topmost company, you can see Amazon. It is using Salesforce. So you can say that Salesforce is most prominent softwares used by most reputed companies. And if we talk about its license and editions, Salesforce provide four types of license. First one is essential. It is billed annually and per user $25 per year. So 25 into 12, that means if you are using for one user, then you have to pay about yes, I was talking about essentials. This is the first license where one user, if you are using for of 1 year, then you have to pay for a single user, then you have to pay about 300 $300. And this is the second license where which is professional. Third one is enterprise, and fourth one is unlimited. Here, unlimited software, in unlimited software you can do all types of activities like here workflow and approval automation you can do in unlimited software, and this unlimited license and enterprise license. Pipeline and forecast management, yes, you can do here also. Sales engagement and insights, sales insights, and premier success plan. You can do everything here with the unlimited license. Okay. And Salesforce products. These are Salesforce products: Customer 360, Sales, Services, Marketing, Commerce Cloud, Data Cloud. So these are Salesforce products. So there is a huge range of Salesforce, and there is an advantage of using Salesforce is that if advantages. It is free, and second one is almost unlimited feature. But so it is free, and almost it has unlimited features. Now, recently I have talked about that uh, uh, the licensing of these will cost you for a simple license of essentials. It will cost you about 300 USD per year. So, and now I'm saying that it is free. So there are some limitations also for a free user. So limitation is that if you have a small business, like you for 2 users, you can use Salesforce for free. But if you have a business with more than two employees or two users, so you have to purchase a license there. But one of the limitation is that the Salesforce provide a storage up to 20 MB max for a free user, and a data storage is file storage. And a data storage of 5 MB max. And maximum 2 users. So this is the limitation of free Salesforce software. Now, so that's all for today.